Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Checking in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin stuck in this horizontal channel. We had a slight breakdown here, returning to the area of the prior double bottom. We can see that real quick if I go to the hour. So here's a prior double bottom that was triggered, went to target, formed this horizontal channel. Same area that this horizontal channel is here. Broke down, immediately snapped back within a couple hours back into the horizontal channel. This is the key area we're going to be watching for. So for the bullish case, we're watching for a close above about 82.75 on a closing basis, and I'll zoom out to look at the targets on the daily. If we get now, I'm going to go into more, not if we just close below this level, but I'm going to really watch if we do get a close below 8,000. We have the rising 50 exponential on the 4-hour chart. That's going to be my key level for watching for a breakdown and a return to deeper back into the rotation zone on the daily, which then I might as well switch to the daily now. So daily, see, we dipped in the rotation zone, and I talked already by that area of the double bottom, snap back into this horizontal channel area. So if we get a close below that 8,000 level, then that's into the rotation zone. Then I'll be watching for a return to the 7,800 level, then 77.29 minor level, 76.43 is the next major level down, in conjunction with the rising 21. So I'm going to watch for these converge and especially fine tune it on the next push, because these levels will drop down. That'll give me a very key area. Also watching with this prior resistance becoming support. So that's the area I'm going to be focused on right in here. I mean, you could even go 76.43 even down to 7,600 and watch for a reversal pattern down there if we get that close below 8,000. Now to the upside, keep very close eye on this 200 simple moving average that's coming in at the highs. If you did get long on something here, definitely move up the stop at that area, because that's a good place to move up the stop and protect, at least lock in some profit should that be resistance again. This is actually struggling to break out on either way, and it will move quickly at some point. Now if we get above that 86.62, next major cluster area, 88.23 to 46, all those levels remain the same, and then 91.89. Okay, Ethereum US dollar. So had a little sell off here. We now have the first cross rotation zone. Again, this did break out of a horizontal channel, came down. We had these other levels down here, 449, with also the key support coming in right here, just dipping below it, then snapping back. Still a fair amount of weakness here. Projecting the next major levels down. Came down that 62.5% long-term retracement we have on here. So that's a real major line in the sand. If it can't hold above that, that means on this whole recovery move, we couldn't hold below this. We really watch for strong moves back up between this 50% and 62.5%, which we've got a couple bounces. But that's about it. If we break below this 446 level, then we'll really be focusing on these major levels below. I'm going to pull off these other ones and focus on 441, 437, and then returning, you see the support and this GAN level at 432. These are levels we'll watch for a reversal pattern. But if you've been doing any dip buying in here, the rotation zone again is against us on the 4-hour. So major resistance now coming in at 460 to about 463. So any rally, if you did buy a dip, then definitely move off your stop or take profits around there. And then we're not going to be doing anything until we get back above the rotation zone and get the cross in our favor on the 4-hour. Switching to the daily, the rotation zone is just flat. We're in this congestion area, and we're just going to see on a closing basis which way we break out. So now on a daily closing basis, we're going to see if we get a close below 450 or a close above about 480. Those are the key levels we'll be watching for. Bullish case on a close above 480, bearish case on a close below 450. That's what we're watching for on the daily chart, especially with this declining 50-day exponential coming in as it drifts lower. Really keep an eye on that also. That's what we have for you in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, we're trapped in consolidation, or you can call it congestion, and we really need a substantial and solid breakout either way, and that's the way we'll be trading it. That's what we have for you, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.